Oh shit.
Hey guys, here we are in the Grand Canyon. What's the area right here now?
What's it called?
This is called Lee's Ferry.
Lee's Ferry.
Well, we're at Lee's Ferry, and this is the Bach crew. This is the Bach clan right there. We got Steve over there, Glenn, and some other people. It's our first day on the river. We just hit a
Captain Emily. Captain Emily. And Sean. Hey Sean. Hey, how are you guys?
Anyway, so stay with us. Let's have some fun.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way. Welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive?
This is like a nice Bloody Mary. Oh, but I got a little drop in it. Oh, a couple fish. Oh, another one. Much wetter than we expected. Oh, here we go.
You got more than that.
It is a trip of extremes. Very, very, very cold to very, very, very hot. So it is extremely fun.
Who's got the brunt of that one?
We're in the Grand Canyon, and we're on the boat.
Pretty cool. We're on the boat.
We're sitting here, enjoying it, being calm before the rapids.
Yes.
And it is incredibly beautiful, you'd like to say.
Absolutely gorgeous. Like unbelievable.
He's trying to make it so we go right.
Walk in the park,
Oh shit! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! That was for real!
Steve, what are you doing?
Oh, what? Nothing. Nothing.
Sean, what are you doing? In this pristine river?
It's very cold. There's nothing to see here. Exactly.
Feel the sun upon your shoulders. Find the strength to make you bolder. Yeah. And let each moment take you higher and higher and higher than you've ever been before.
Oh boy. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, it's gonna hurt!
water. Not really worth doing it, but you have to go into it. There is only literally, like you're going up the wall going, I hope I can breathe up here. And then you come up and there's an air pocket. And you can turn around and you go, oh shit. Okay, going back down, getting out of here.
Yeah.
We found the one animal indigenous to the Colorado River.
Okay, all right, this is Mark Lickley. Here we are in the Grand Canyon. A bunch of old people think they're young, going down through time. It's been an amazing adventure. We're going down the Colorado River, river rafting with this group, and today is going to be epic. Whoa, what rapid is this again?
This is Upset. Oh, it's crazy! 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 You're gonna love it!
Yeah, that was a big one. That was big. That was good sized wave. That was the one where I was just sliding this way, and this nice woman back here, Diane corrected me.
Big wheels keep on running, Proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, rolling, rolling down the river.
That was fun. It's fantastic. Took some water though.
Yeah, it took a little water.
You know, that is an exceptional ride, and it only costs $2.50, and you get a free cotton candy when you get to the bottom. It's excellent.
What are you doing, Dan?
Having a good time.
Big wheels keep on running, Proud Mary keep on burning, rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. Here's our camping spot. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, and here's us, right here. Here's our little camping thing. Okay, there's where the box are gonna be. And here's the river. And now, we're going over this way. There's the sour people. And look, there's the pea people. Oh, look at this.
This is tonight's
Pecan pie.
pecan pie. This is dessert, day one. You can have it with whipped cream or not.
I love pecan pie.
Delicious.
Save room for pecan pie. Hey, John, how are you, buddy?
I'm doing great.
Good,
Had a
good.
good day. I'm tired though.
Me too, man. You're not the only one. Okay, here's our crew. There's Emily, there's the boats. They're sitting here.
Okay, Lisa, what's this trip mean to you?
To me means, I don't know, it's kind of like something we wanted to do for a really long time, and so it feels sort of like we're finally in the position in life where we can really start enjoying things again. We're at that kind of on the edge of that whole retirement freedom thing where we're going to start having adventures.
Yay.
That's exciting.
Steve, what's this trip mean to you?
Is that camera close enough to me?
Yeah.
Can you hear this? Is this on? It means, got it, adventure, family, friends, awesome.
Rest and relaxation.
A break from taking care of everything else. No cooking, no cleaning the lake, no dishes.
I had both of my friends.
Yeah.
Not taking care of, just letting it all go.
Every day.
And just being with phenomenal friends in a beautiful place.
Yeah, that. Oh, yeah, that's it. That. We want to say what she said.
For me, this trip means gratification, adventure, excitement, feelings that not everyday life brings to you.
It's a blast out here. I love the clear water on the Colorado. Woohoo!
Love it. Having fun.
How those glasses holding up?
Good. Perfect. Wet.
Having a blast. Having a blast. Wet. Having a
I
blast.
think the water could be just a little cooler. It's making me warm.
Big Dan.
Steve, tell me, how's it going for you so far?
Oh, it's excellent. When do we eat?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, we gotta get the grab.
How you doing, girl?
Hey, it's Tony the Tiger would say it's great.
Alrighty. Steve, how'd it go?
That's a beautiful thing, and I'm Glenn, by the way.
Yeah, you're Steve next.
But that's okay. Stu now. Awesome. Can't you see? Got a new hairdo even.
How we feeling?
All is good.
How you doing?
I'm proud to be here. Thank you.
the end of the trip right here. There's a helicopter taking off. Amazing. A trip of a lifetime.
Yeah. Yep.
And we made it.
And we made it.
Orgasmic. Orgasmic.
Hey man, greatest trip ever. I had so much fun and saw things that I would never see from the top. Glad to do it.
Awesome. Loved it. Would definitely do it again.
Amazing, fabulous, glorious, excitable.
It was amazing, but now I need to sleep.